Wall Street Willie. When I was watching TV, I heard something about a stock index. But what is a stock index anyway? A stock index is a measurement of the stock market by looking at a group of stocks instead of individual stocks. Its value is calculated from the price of stocks that make up the index, also called indexes constituents. What is a mutual fund? Well, a mutual fund is basically a kind of fund where people pool or put together their money to let the mutual fund managers invest it in stocks, bonds, and other things. I saw someone using a credit card at the mall, but what is a credit card anyway? Well, a credit card is a plastic card that you use to pay at stores and online. But where does that money that you use to pay come from? Well, a bank lends it to you, but you have to repay that money. But if you repay it late, then you will be charged interest. Aww. I heard my friends talking about insurance, but what is insurance anyway? Well, insurance is something that protects you financially against a loss, which means that if something goes wrong, the insurance company will pay you. My friend Daniel asked me about a mortgage, but what is a mortgage anyway? Well, a mortgage is a loan that you take to buy a home. Dividend. But what is a dividend anyway? Dividend is the portion of a company's profit that is distributed to stockholders. That's what you receive if you own stock in the company. My friend Rashawn asked me about a currency, but what is a currency anyway? A currency is a type of money issued by a country. That currency is usually only accepted in that one country. For example, the currency of the United States is the US dollar. Here, Wall Street Willie, all this Halloween spooky stuff is making me think about death. So what'll happen to all of my stuff if I die? Well, you can always have a will. What is a will? A will is a document that you write which states all the people who will get your assets and also who will get the custody of your kids after you die. Hey people, if you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe for more Easy Peasy Finance.